In the given question, we are going to prove cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec. Let's take the LHS first. LHS is equal to cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Here we have to take the LCM. So cos square A plus 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos square A plus, here we have to apply 1 plus sin A the whole square, we have to apply A plus B the whole square. So it becomes 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. Denominator 1 plus sin A into cos A. Let's write the cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 plus 2 sin. The denominator, it is 8. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So it becomes 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So it becomes 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Let's take the 2 common from the numerator. So it becomes 2 into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A cancels from the numerator and denominator. It becomes 2 divided by cos A, and 1 by cos A is equal to sec. It becomes 2 sec, which is the RHS. Hence, we have proved the question. Thank you.